Hello, my name is Lyron. Welcome to my course, Manage Cloud Security and Risk. I am a cloud security consultant, author, and authorized ISC² trainer. The Cloud Security Alliance publishes a list of top threats to cloud computing that follows an alliterative word and number match. For instance, previous lists have been called the Notorious 9, Egregious 11, and Treacherous 12. The lists are helpful to inform best practices to protect your cloud assets and services. In this course, we are going to learn the important elements of cloud governance and risk management. Some of the major topics that we will cover will include how to maintain compliance and audit in the cloud, how to establish governance and risk management in the cloud, and how to examine legal, contractual, and e-discovery issues related to using the cloud. By the end of this course, you will know what tools to use to identify and manage risk to an acceptable degree in the cloud. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the Introduction to Information Security Cloud Computing. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn the important elements of cloud governance and risk management with the Manage Cloud and Security course at Pluralsight.